Hello friends, welcome to the first video of sets. Look at these pictures. What do you find common in all these pictures? Yes, all these pictures represent some collection or group. This is a picture of group of elephants. We call it parade. This is a picture of team, which is a group of players. Thali is a collection of food items and bouquet is a collection of flowers. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Now, what is meant by well-defined? To understand this, let us ask two students of our class to make these collections. Days of week, clever students of your class, best books for children, and first 5 natural numbers. Let us ask Bhumika and Malhar to make these collections for us. Let us see what Bhumika and Malhar have done for us. The first collection was days of week. Bhumika has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Malhar's collection is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. Here the order of days is different, but you can see that both of them have collected exactly the same days. Both of them have collected all the 7 days of the week. So their collections are exactly same except for the order. Clever students of your class. Bhumika has selected Bhumika, Anshika, Tanvi, Srishti, Tanmay and Vedant. Malhar has selected Malhar, Bhumika, Anshika, Srishti, Arya and Nikhil. Here collection of Bhumika and Malhar are different because criteria which Bhumika has used to select the clever students of your class is different from what Malhar has selected. Let's go ahead. Best books for children. Bhumika's opinion about best book of children, Shamchi Ai and Agnipankha. Whereas Malhar has selected Preshit and Vanvas. So all the objects of this collection are different. They do not have anything common. Their collections are totally different. First 5 natural numbers. Bhumika has written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Malhar has written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us see. Days of week, both of them have selected exactly the same objects or same elements. Clever students of your class, their collections are different. Best books for children, again their collections different. First 5 natural numbers, they have selected same elements or same number. Now why this happened? In the first and fourth case, exact instructions were given. They had to choose days of the week and days of the week are same for everyone. Similarly, first 5 natural numbers are same for everyone. These things do not change from person to person. So their collections are exactly same. But in case of clever students or best books for children, the collection differs from person to person. It depends on the perspective of the person. What Bhumika thinks about clever students is different from what Malhar thinks. So their collections are different. Bhumika's choice of books is different from Malhar. So their collection is different. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called set. Again, for days of week, we definitely know what will belong to this collection and what will not belong to this collection. For example, Saturday will belong to this collection, January will not belong to this collection. So, when instructions about members of the collection are clear, we call that collection set. So, this is a set. Here, clever students of your class, this collection differs from person to person because there are no definite instructions for the membership of this group. So this is not a set. Again, for best books, collection differs from person to person. It is not a set. First five natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same for everyone. Clearly, we know what are the members of this group. So this collection is a set. Having known what is a set, now the question is how to write a set. There are two methods of writing a set. First method is called listing or roster method. The other method is called rule method or set builder form. Let us understand listing or roster method. Let us take one example. We have to write a set of 7 basic sounds of Sargam. We all know what are the 7 basic sounds of Sargam. They are Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. So, this is a list of 7 basic sounds of Sargam. To write this in the listing or roster method, we have to put this list in brace brackets or curly brackets. Look at this. We write the set using this kind of brackets. These are called curly brackets. And all the elements means members of the set are separated by comma. All the 7 are separated by comma, and you can write the name of the set with some capital letter. We write the name of this set as M, capital M. Let us take one more example. Letters in the word complement. You have to write a set of letters in the word complement. So let us see how do we write. First letter C, then O, M, P, L, E. Now note that the next letter here is M, but M already appears. You cannot write same element twice in the set. So we will skip this M. Then we have E. Again, E already appears. So we will not repeat that. We'll move to N and then T. So we have to write these elements to write the set. Let us see. We'll call this set A and elements are C, O, M, P, L, E, N, T. Again, note that we have skipped M and E because M and E already appear once in the set. You cannot repeat any element in the set. You cannot write any element twice. Every element appears just once in the set. Let's see the next one. Set of prime numbers between 1 to 20. You know the rules now. Write the name with the capital letter. Here are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. We will put them in curly brackets separated by commas, and we will give the set a name, some capital number, capital letter, sorry. Let us see another example. Set of even natural numbers. What are even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. That means this list goes endlessly. We will write this in the roster form. Put this list in the brace brackets and write the name of the set with some capital letter. In this video, we have seen what is a set. We have seen how to write the set with the listing or roster method. In the next video, we will see another method of writing a set. If you find this video useful, like it and subscribe my channel. So long.